Yes,
I'm Roslyn Cheladarai. Basically, I'm a nurse working in Bangalore. My life was going peacefully with my studies and my work and everything. I was having, I never had any symptoms. I was having normal, regular menstrual bleeding. After 3 days, it's supposed to be stopped, but what happened is it was continuing, and I went and approached the doctor, and I was feeling that I'm having some paleness in my hands, and moreover I had piles problem. So I approached doctor, and they gave some ointment, and the pain didn't subside. So without any symptoms, I just went and wanted to have blood checkup. So I simply, without consulting any doctor, I just wrote in our hospital. I took the investigation slip. I wrote WBC, HB, and without any cause, I just wrote up ticked platelets. Also gave blood, and I was so disappointed to know the counts were increased so high. And doctors called me, and they have done peripheral smear with the same blood, and they asked me so many questions about my symptoms, the cause of disease, or any all the other reasons, but there was no symptoms for me. So they told me to repeat the test on the next day and to consult physician. So next day I gave the blood. I went and saw the doctor also. He also examined me, and there was no lymph nodes, no mass in the abdomen, there is no pain anywhere. So they told me to come in the evening to check for the peripheral smear result. So evening I went to confirm the test. Then the doctors who have seen me, Dr. Christo, Dr. Priscilla Christo, and other doctors were standing at the near to the entrance. So I was just passing by. I was just passing by. Then they called me. They told me the condition, and they told me to rush to Christian Medical College immediately. So I was taken to CMC with the diagnosis of acute myeloid leukemia. I was blank during that time. I felt emptiness within myself. When we went to CMC, again the platelet was showed dropped. It was only 12,000, and the HB was 6.8, and WBC was 60,000. Then immediately after going to CMC, they told me, they explained everything, and I underwent chemotherapy. And because of chemotherapy, after chemotherapy I had severe side effect, all the symptoms, and I was bedridden for 2.5 months. And 1 week they will check for the blood culture. The blood culture will show one bacteria, then the other bacteria. I was diagnosed with fungal pneumonia, septicemia, and other things. So with God's grace, I struggled so much in the hospital to come back. Then I prayed to God. With God's grace, I was cured well. Then my parents, my husband, and my in-laws, nobody wanted me to undergo chemotherapy after that. So what can we do? We came to a conclusion, and we came to Zulhan Zoo. We heard about it, and we came to Zulhan Zoo. Then after coming here, the environment was very good, and we started with the herbal treatment, the God's natural diet, fruits, everything naturally. So it was difficult initially when we started. Then slowly we got adjusted with the diet, and moreover we enjoyed the diet over here. And my condition, when I entered into this center, I walked very little, minimal. Then slowly my health started improving. Now I could able to run also. So today is the last day for me. We are going back, and I hope and pray I will continue the same diet and implement this in our family and
WBC platelets.
and tell about this to others. Now the present platelet for me is 1,68,000 and WBC at the normal range, and peripheral smear is very normal. It doesn't show any immature cells, and HB is 10.8. So it shows that I am improving, and I'll continue to follow the same diet principles in my life and in my family. Thank you.
மக ரோஸ்லின், அவளுக்கு பிளட் கேன்சர் வந்ததுன்னு தெரிஞ்சதும் உடனே நாங்கள் பெங்களூர்லேருந்து சிஎம்சி ஆஸ்பத்திரிக்கு போனோம். அங்கே இருந்து 2.5 மாதம் நல்ல சிகிச்சை செஞ்சு 2.5 மாதம் முடிஞ்சு வீட்டுக்கு வந்தோம். வீட்டில் வந்து 1 வாரம் இருந்தோம். வீட்டில் வந்து 1 வாரம்னோடனே சுலான்ஸு இந்த லிட்ரீட்டுக்கு போனால் நல்லாயிரும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. உடனே அங்கேருந்து இங்கே வந்து இங்கே உள்ள பச்சை இலைகள் எல்லா ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டும் நல்லா கஷ்டப்பட்டு சாப்பிட்டோம். சாப்பிட்ட பிறகு இப்போ நல்ல சுகம் கிடச்சிருக்குது. 28 நாள் இருக்கணும்னு சொன்னாங்க. இன்றைக்கோடைய 27 நாள். நாளையிலேருந்து இந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட்டு முடியுது. சந்தோஷமாக வீட்டுக்கு போகணுன்னு புறப்படுறோம். இன்னும் இந்த வெற்றி கிடைத்தது எதன் மூலமாக என்னதால், இது டாக்டர்களால் இது முடியலை, இது கர்த்தராகிய இயேசு கிறிஸ்துவின் ரத்தம் தான் எங்களுக்கு ஜெயம் கொடுத்தது என்பதாக நாங்கள் எல்லாம் விசுவாசிக்கிறோம். உலகத்திலுடைய எல்லா மக்களும் அதற்காக ஜெபமும் பண்ணார்கள். ஜெபத்தின் மூலமாக வெற்றி கிடைத்ததற்காக ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுறோம். இதுவே என்னுடைய சாட்சி.